Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the duplicated material design kit in Figma and confirming the core libraries are enabled. Once done, inspect color tokens, typography styles, and spacing scales so you know the system constraints. You should link the kit to your team library for consistent components. Next, create a new file and add a page named Work where you'll copy components. This keeps the original untouched while you prototype and customize. You now modify tokens and component instances. Change the color token to match branding and then propagate it through instances so updates are global. Once updated, use auto layout to restructure buttons and cards for variable content. Make sure constraints handle 16:9 or responsive breakpoints. You should create component variants for states like hover, focus, and disabled, and link those variants into your design system page so developers can reference them. You assemble final screens by dragging components from the library, composing layouts, and checking alignment against the 8pt grid. Once screens are stable, create a styloguide frame that documents tokens, component anatomy, and interaction notes, then export CSS tokens or JSON snippets for the developer handoff. If something goes wrong, reload and relink the library. Next, try resetting instances to main components and search for missing styles before duplicating the file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.